You look good! Yes, Burna! Don't feel my way! Yeah!
Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video we're talking about Burna Boy performance at the Lowland Festival guys. So first of all, if you're new to this channel, I'd like to kindly hit the subscribe button and like if you enjoyed this video guys. So guys, Burna Boy was at the Lowland Festival where he turned down this show guys. Like Burna Boy is something else guys. But before he went down to close down the show, he was hanging around with the fans, he was signing autograph and taking pictures. Burna Boy is just too good right now guys. And in terms of stage performance guys, I don't really see somebody to meet up with Burna Boy right now. So I'd like to know your own opinion in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Peace guys and thanks.
How you feeling?